Dear students, welcome back to my channel, IBRAHIMA NGOM Attitude. Today's lesson and quiz is about since, for, and ago. So in this video, I want you to watch this video till the end because the first part is the lesson and the second part will be the quiz. It is quiz number 3. For those of you who haven't yet seen quiz number 1 and quiz number 2, go to my YouTube channel and have a look. Before I start the lesson, I want to share a quote with you from Albert Einstein. He said, "I have tried 99 times and have failed, but on the 100th time came success." Meaning what? Meaning no matter how many times you try and failed, never give up. Keep on trying. One day you will succeed. So this is my piece of advice of today before I start the lesson. So, for the lesson, since for ago, let us consider the following sentences. Sentence number 1, Macky has been president since 2012. This is number 1. Number 2, Macky has been president for 8 years. And number 3, Macky became president 8 years ago. So we are going to study these sentences one by one to better understand the use of since, for, and ago. Number 1, Macky has been president since 2012. So since is used here. Why? Yes, because 2012 is the beginning of the action, is the beginning of him being a president. It is a starting point. So whenever you refer to the starting point, to the beginning of an action or an event, use since. Number 2, Macky has been president for 8 years. Why 4? We use here 4 because it is the duration of the action or the situation or the event. Meaning what? Meaning from 2012 to today, 2020, it is 8 years have passed. So Macky's duration at the presidency is 8 years. So it is the duration of Macky being a president. So for 8 years duration. So since is for the beginning and 4 is for the duration. Now, what about ago? Ago is when we go back to the past, when we make a kind of flash back in the past and see how much time has passed since something happened. So Macky won the elections and how much time has passed? 8 years have passed. Okay, so ago is for how much time has passed since something happened. Many teachers associate since and for with the present perfect or perfect tenses if you want, but we are in Troisième. Let us make it a little bit easy. And they also associate ago with the preterite. So number 1, we have used has been, meaning the present perfect. Remember, it can be present perfect, it can be past perfect, it can be future perfect, either simple or continuous. So here, the present perfect is associated with since. Remember, we are in the fourth form, in Troisième. Maybe in terminal or at the university, you will see something else. Okay, different. Number 2, Macky has been president. Here also, we use the present perfect. And once again, it could be past perfect, it could be future perfect, or even present perfect continuous for. Number 3, became. Became is the preterite or simple past of become, used with ago. So when we recap, since and for are used with the perfect tenses, and ago is here used with the preterite, and we are in the fourth form. Maybe in the future you will see something else. Let us compare now since and for. Since, as we said a while ago, is the starting point and for is the duration. Here, I am in the fourth form. I am in Troisième. I have been learning English since 2016. Meaning, I have been learning English for 4 years. So, since is the beginning of me learning English, and 4 is for the number of years, the amount of time, the duration, okay, I have been learning English. So it is for 4 years. Since is the starting point, again, 4 is duration. consider situation A. The meeting started at 8 o'clock, it's midday. So when a meeting starts at 8 o'clock and now we are at midday, what's happened? They have been talking, is it for or since 8 o'clock? They have talked, is it since or for 4 hours? It's up to you. Situation B, the match started at 4 o'clock. Now it is 4:30. They have played, is it for or since 30 minutes? They have talked, is it for or since 4 o'clock? Now put your finger on the pause button, take a pen and a piece of paper, do the exercise and come back. Yes, now you are back. Let us correct. They have been talking since the beginning, 4 hours the duration. They have played for 30 minutes duration, and they have talked since 4 o'clock is the beginning. Now ago is often associated with the preterite. It is the amount of time that has passed since something happened, and we go back in the past. Preterite or simple past. The match started 10 minutes ago. Mary got married 2 years ago. The Prime Minister resigned a week ago. Now, multiple choice question, exercise. This is the second part. My dad has worked in this company since 4 or ago 20 years. You have 5 seconds. Good. 4, because it is duration. Number 2, my dad has been working in this company since 4 or ago. Which one is the best? Of course, it is since the beginning. Number 3, my dad started working in this company since 4 ago. Ago, because here we have the preterite here. Good. Number 4, I have been living in this apartment for 2020, 2010, next year, 6 months. The right answer is 6 months because it is 4 and 4 is for the duration. Number 5, they sent me an invitation card last week, a week, and yesterday ago. Which one is the best? Good. The best one is a week ago. Duration 7 days. 6. Mr. and Mrs. Fall have been married. Is it since 4 or ago 27 years now? The right answer is 24 is for 27 years now. It is the duration. I'm sorry. Number 7, David has been sleeping since 4 ago, the beginning of the lecture. Yes, it is since the starting point, the beginning. Number 8, the boss has sent me an email 10 minutes ago. The best one is sent, preterite with ago, in the past. Number 9, to Pat, is it died, has died, or is dying 24 years ago? I'm sorry. Yet investigators for the murderer since then have been looking or looked simply. So here the first answer is the first part and the second is here the second part. Is it A, B or C? It is A, because here we have Tupac died 24 years ago, and here investigators have been looking for, and 8 is the best one. The last one is 10. 2 years since 4 or ago we visited Gorée Island. 2 years ago. Wonderful. So congratulations guys, you made it. Good job. Don't forget, you have to watch these very important videos already posted on my YouTube channel, Ibrahim NGOM Attitude. So learn how to write essays, expressing regrets and wishes, how to agree and disagree with someone, and how do you recognize whether have is an auxiliary or a full verb. Whether you will say I have not or I don't have. I have not or I didn't have. It's okay? So thank you for watching once again. Goodbye and good luck.